not. But this is pretty cool. You get to see at the front.
Yeah, and if you're looking through the camera lens, you don't get any of the outside light.
Or it doesn't look as blurry. Chances I've run into you, like, they were probably pretty low, don't you think?
Yeah, I just find it crazy how just now it's like 2 times in 2 weeks.
Yes, I know, right? I can't believe this has happened 2 times in a row. Oh,
I think like it's due Thursday.
Oh
no, that was a test. I don't know.
Oh.
I got 11 out of 10.
Hi.
My grade did, so anyone could retake it, they didn't get this.
Damn, so this is like Moya?
Yeah.
It's been quite a while since I've seen you too. Like, I think it has been like, I think it's been about like almost 4 years. Yeah, time flies fast.
Straight next, that back stick.
Yeah, but this is pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Have you seen the ones on YouTube?
Yeah, I have.
I know, obviously.
Figured might as well do one myself after seeing all those on YouTube.
Oh, next time you should like do a time lapse.
Oh, that would be awesome. Like, just recording at normal speed, but who knows? Maybe once I find out, like once I get the proper editing software, I could try making this into a time lapse.
Yeah, there's just a time lapse button on the camera.
Yeah, like maybe like I could have like a copy of this as a time lapse, maybe like R46 right in time lapse or something. Who knows? Yeah. Yeah, you could pretend you're driving the train.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get it to stand perfectly, so right?
I'm trying so hard not to fall over.
How am I supposed to participate any better? It's probably the most screwed over.
Huh. And I realized this is armrest. That's interesting.
Well, hold on, I need to test this out.
Yeah. Do the armrests work?
Yeah.
I think I hear an R179 coming.
That might be an E train.
No, it's a C.
Oh, no, it is. You're right.
I could hear the propulsion.
I just assumed that since we weren't seeing it, it was going to be an E train from the other side.
Oh. Yeah, but the rail fan windows are pretty cool, don't you think?
It's so weird how it screeches here. But between, between 14th and West 4th, there's absolutely no street. It just goes through the curve. It just goes. There's no.
Yeah, like, I'm surprised there's no screeching there, but other curves there is.
Full straight tracks to CJ 2345, connection to
How often do you get an R179A train?
Not often,
Brooklyn down
but
High Street.
there have been times where I have gotten R179A trains.
I think 1 in 12 usually.
Yeah, like, how many trains run on the A again?
I think there's like 6 R179s and like 20.
No, or rather, like, I saw on Wikipedia that there are like 11 trains of R179s on the A.
That seems like a lot.
And I think there on the A there are more R46s.
I'm pretty sure that it's like a 1-to-4 ratio of R46s to R179s.
You mean R179s to R46s? I'd say it's maybe about, if there are 11 trains of R179s, I'd say it's about maybe a 1 in 3 chance, more like a 1 in 3 chance you get an R179.
I guess if there's like 30 R46s. And then the C, it's like half and half.
Yeah. Sometimes you'd see an R46C, other times you'd see an R179. But Josh and I, like, found out, or rather we noticed that the C train almost never comes. Like, whenever I see a C train, it's like 10 minutes away or something.
It depends when you arrive in the station. If you arrive constantly, for some reason the schedule is always the exact same.
Oh, like maybe like there's always a train 1 minute away, or there's always a train 4 minutes away or something. It's really bumpy. I wonder how fast this is. And those white lights probably mean this is a work site or something. I don't know.
It's always the best to look out the train when it's between Manhattan and Brooklyn because it goes
Yes.
the fastest.
Yes. And also, did you know that, like, I think in the Rockaways, subway trains operate up to their full potential, from what I heard. Or, I'm not sure if that's the case, though.
Well, I mean, there's an obscenely large distance. There's an obscenely large distance between JFK and Broad Channel.
Yeah.
Brooklyn Bridge High Street.
Are they getting off?
We're getting off.